Acceptability is the process through which we embed a number of important social or moral values within a certain technologies. So a number of values that we consider important are translated into technical requirements and influencing the way a technology is designed. In that way, we obtain a technology that, for example, is secure, is safe, is accessible, is reliable, and it is acceptability to the way a technology is designed and can be steered, can be controlled, can be engineered. Acceptability doesn't necessarily translate into societal acceptance. Of course, is a factor that facilitates it, because we are more prone to accept a technology if we know that it is in line with what is important for us, but this depends on how we communicate about this technology, of course, but not necessarily. Because acceptance is a subjective thing, is a perception. Is a perception from an individual or from society, from groups of individuals regarding a certain technology. As such, cannot be engineered. So it eludes really our capacity to be fully controlled. However, we can understand the factors that influence the acceptance of a certain technology. So understanding what is more important for people, what makes a difference for them regarding a certain technology. We explore social acceptance because this responds to a concern of the industry about 6G not being accepted by society, as it has been a bit the case for 5G, which raises concerns and some strong reactions. Exploring social acceptance means understanding the factors that have an influence in bringing adoption into user. There are a number of models that throughout the decades have done that. Most of them explore the relationship between the users and the device in terms of usability, perception of usefulness, and they are all aimed at exploring the probability of adoption, so the position of the person in adopting a certain new technology in a given environment. Now, for 6G, we can't do that because the technology is still being conceived. We don't have, we have some concrete devices, but not much, and also the use cases are still being explored. However, to explore acceptance, we shouldn't just focus on the usability and user experience aspect, but also on a number of cultural aspects that influence the propensity to adoption. Among the aspects that we are focusing on, for example, is the value aspect in a number of, in different ways. The extent to which technology responds to some values that are considered important by society, but also the possible impact that the technology might have on promoting certain societal values. And also the relationship of trust that exists among the actors in a given system, socio-technical system, because it influences the user's attitude toward the technology.